Hey guys, I'm Jordan with Awesome Chevy and Buick here in Chehalis. Today I'm going to show you how to control your AC and the controls on our power sunroof, the rear slider, and cooled seats in our 2021 Chevy High Country 3500 HD. All right, so there's two ways to do it. You have your climate here. Just go ahead and go all the way to low and your AC will automatically kick on, or you can swipe over and go to climate. And you can adjust your AC, hit that button. And right now we already have it marked down to all the way to low, and so it's on. And don't forget your cooled seats in the High Country, both passenger and driver seat. So for the sunroof controls, we're gonna go ahead and open it. And you do have your bug net. If you don't wanna open all the way, it'll also tilt. We'll go ahead and show you that as well. The controls for your rear slider that opens, it's right here. And there you have it.